Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can install eFootball on your Android phone. Now you guys can easily download eFootball by going on Play Store. But for some people, eFootball is not available in Play Store. In that case, what you need to do is go on your Google Chrome browser on your phone. So open up your browser. Now you can open any browser, it doesn't have to be Chrome, just open a browser. On your browser, you want to search for eFootball Android download. Once you search for eFootball Android download, if it is available in Play Store, this will appear and you can just click on this download button and start downloading it. But let's say if it is not available on your, Google Play Store, what you can do is download it from other websites like Up to Down. You can click on Up to Down and it's going to take you to the downloading page. From over here, you can click and get the latest version and your eFootball will start to download. Once it completes downloading, you can install it and you can start playing eFootball on your phone. So these are the two methods you guys can use to download eFootball on your Android. You can use Google Play Store or you can use your search browser. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos just like this related with eFootball. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.